welcome back to This Darn Chicks Designs. We are actually going to be doing a little tutorial today on dollar store frames for the Halloween season. What I've done is I grabbed one that was about a 5x7, took the glass out, and started to clean the glass off because we want to get all the prints off. Because what we're going to do is we're going to spray paint it afterwards. So I took a little bit of alcohol and rubbed it on a tissue and started wiping off the back of it. Then took it outside and spray painted a couple coats of mirror paint to the back of it, which you can actually go ahead and get from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Once that was done, I went ahead and made sure that it was dry, so I was able to actually go ahead and put it back into the frame. And then after that, we went ahead and put the back on it. After spraying these on the outside, okay, you're going to turn them over. And this is the glass, okay, that came with the frame from the Dollar Tree, okay. You're going to take this glass, after you spray it, turn it over, stick it inside your frame, okay. Find your image, turn your image over, and what I like to do is go ahead and put a little bit of tape. Let me see here. I like to use that tape. I'm looking for my other tape here. See what happens when you're not prepared? And you can't find the tape that you want. So make sure you pick out a really, really cool image. And then from there, like I said, once you get your image, just take a piece of tape here on top, okay? And just kind of tape it to the top here. And then you can actually tape this bottom part here, and it doesn't matter what tape it is. I just happen to have my heat tape that's over here. Not that you should be using heat tape for this, but because it's my regular tape is nowhere to be found, go ahead and just cut this piece and tape it down here. So, sorry, my hands are like, got spray all over from tonight. So once you're done, okay, place it on top there, tape down the sides, okay. Then what you're gonna do is kind of make sure that all these little prongs are in here so it kind of keeps your mirror in. Then you're gonna take your second one of these, take out your mirror that you spray painted. And I think I got like 6 or 9 of these or something. They're like $1 a piece. So I can use these for different projects. And you want to place that up on top of this one. So you're going to hot glue all the way around these edges, okay? Just take your hot glue gun and let me just put some glue on it here. Because you want just enough that you're going to be able to hot glue every one of these and just kind of place it down, okay? And you probably want to do about, I'd say probably about 5 or 6 of them. And just go ahead and just keep building up. Okay, so when you're done, you probably got about, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these frames, okay? They're like 5x7 frames. What you're gonna wanna do is the last piece, you wanna put a little bit of 3N on it. So this right here is, just put it to the back, okay? Stick it to the back there. See what happens when you're spray painting all day? Yeah. So anyways, so what you're gonna do is put that to the back of it, okay? You can go ahead and just kind of stick this to it, all right? This is just an older little light. It's like a LED light that you can get at the dollar store, okay? Take it, turn it over, make sure your light's on there, turn it over, and then just kind of set it in there, push your prongs down. Each one of these that you actually go ahead and you once you take the mirrors out, make sure you're pushing these prongs down, okay? Once these mirrors come out. So just make sure you're doing that. So before you do that, just go ahead. We're gonna turn this on, okay? Stick it down in here. Now I'm sure there's probably easier ways to do this, but this is the one way that I have found where it's not going to do anything funny. Take it, turn it over, and you have got your gory light with an eyeball in it. Let's turn off the light and see what it looks like. Let's go ahead, turn it off. How cool is that? So we've got our nice little gory light that's in there. Now you can go ahead and you can cut it out and make it a little bit larger. Like I said, this is just a print off that I got from the internet on Google, and I thought it was really cute, and I thought, okay, you can actually just kind of set these in your living room or whatever for Halloween. I think that they're really cute, and I think they'll work out really well. So
try this out and let me know what you think about it. You can actually go ahead and make sure that you can put a larger picture in there if you choose to do so.